Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm back out with my HSP 1/8 Truggy, and I'm just back at this spot. You know, the only reason I like coming to these two main spots that I always go to is just because it's so close to my house. And I haven't said this yet, but I do suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder. I won't get into details, but yeah, I can't go too far from my house as it is, so this 5k sort of restriction thing isn't a bother for me. Yeah, I'll just give you a quick look at the Truggy. So same thing, exactly the same setup, same 6S motor, that Turnigy 2000 kV, and I had to chuck the Traxxas X-MAXX speed control back in because I blew the surpass speed control I was trying. It really does want to go. It's just a bit too heavy for jumping, I think. Nice. Not bad, actually, so far. Something's happened already. Oh, shock. Oh, just the shock thing come out. Well, that's the pin, that's about it. I think that battery's gone already anyway. I'll check this motor and check the heat of the speed control, and if it's all good, I'll chuck this 6L in. Oh no, definitely not. Oh, I don't know actually. You know what, I might just let it cool down for a little bit and I'll chuck the 6L in. Alright, so I got the 6L in, and yeah, well, here we go, I suppose. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just go out here and have a little muck around on this gravel, just because it's less strenuous on the motor. Now she's got some power. Oh wow, spitting up a lot of stuff now. Oh, that's a lot faster now. You can't get to full throttle now. That was about 3/4 throttle. That was just hitting full throttle then. Oh yeah, them front wheels are ballooning so much. Alright, I better go back to my stuff. Hopefully that stabilizer's making a difference as well. Oh! Double straight out, but not without consequence. What is that? What is going on there? Oh, wow! Look at the shock tower. That's absolutely totaled. Yeah. So this car's not made for this sort of stuff. So that motor will definitely be going in the EXB. You know, I'm going to drive it just like that. Still going, so. It's just going to be noisy, that's all. Poor car. Can't believe it's still going after that. Alright, that's all over, I think. I just broke the bottom part of the suspension. I got a few of them at home, but that shock tower's never going to look the same. Yeah, they're definitely not made for this sort of stuff. Well, that's going to be it for today. Bit of hardcore bashing with the HSP. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm just going to pull it apart and, I don't know, use the parts for another car, or I'm not sure. Hopefully it's just the shock tower and the suspension. Alright guys, cheers, catch us in the next video, and as always, stay safe. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.